Our ideas now of aging are beginning to crack open a little bit and expanding our horizons of like, how do we think about time?
Yeah. I mean, we talked about this last time you were on about Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, not particularly famous for their biohacking, but incredibly resilient, like a life well lived. So many stories about them, like, staying up, drinking Coca-Cola and wine long into the night.
Yeah, there was this interesting paper that came out of Levin. So he said his theory after running this model was that basically after we reproduce, our cells lose purpose. Like our cells don't have a unifying objective.
Yeah.
So they just like aging is just like, we just don't know what to do.
Interesting.
And so if his model is correct, like biology needs don't die. Like they actually need an objective at a macro scale, like at our level of cognition, but also at a cellular level. Like these are the kinds of experiments people are doing of like, what is the underlying incentive structure of biology? Why do we age? Why do we not age in certain parts of our life? Why do we have protective mechanisms? Why do some species regenerate?
And I want to believe that there's some level of just, if you have a purpose, if you have drive, your body just pulls it together a little bit more.
I know people want this to be like the answer.
Yes, but you're saying it's just luck.
I think it's really such a bad idea because people in their mind, they make that shortcut and they're like, you know what?
I just gotta work harder. I gotta work harder.
Yeah.
Did we cure balding? There was that study last week.
They're weak effects.
Okay.
Yeah. So like, it's a little bit embarrassing as a human race that we haven't been able to make really good strides on hair loss.
That one seems very simple. Like, I don't know. It just seems like very mechanical. It doesn't seem as complicated as like, your brain degenerating. We don't even know how the brain works. It's like, it's hair. It just grows. Like it should be easy.
We're working on it. We just put out our best attempt. We're going to see if it works. Like, we're going to try to beat everything that's out there on market.
Yeah.
We'll see.